Hey guys, it's your girl Renee, and I am heading to Aldi's today because they have some new gardening supplies out. And I have been waiting and waiting for them to get the trellises because I need a couple more trellis to put in my garden. Because remember, I said I wanted to get another rose bush, and I think I wanted trellis that get a climbing one. And then remember, we discovered that clematis in my garden, so I need a trellis for that. But then I was thinking I need some trellises for some of my vegetables that I'm going to be planting out in my garden this season. So I think the trellises are $10. 9.99. So we're just gonna round it up a penny to $10. So I think I'm gonna pick up two today, and then I'm going to place them where I want in the garden, and then I am going to see how many more I actually need, and then I'll go back that later on that day or that next day and pick up the remaining ones that I want. So let's go into Aldi's and see what kind of things we can find. And also, I hear it is Disney week, so they're going to have a lot of Disney items in there too. So I will try to film as much as I can of the Disney items. And if I can't get it this particular day, then when I go back to get some more trellises, then I'll make another video, you guys, and I will show you the rest of what they have, because I know they have hats, I know they have backpacks, I know they have keychains, I know they have earrings, and shoes and some clothes for the babies. So I know they have like drinking containers too. So I'm so stoked about that. So I'm not a big Disney fan, but I do like to check out their Disney items. But I'm mainly going in there for the garden supplies, because you know your girl needs to get those trellises, and these are a few things that I need to add to my garden. And they also have those big giant teacups that you can plant in, and they have the I think they're like watering cans, the big watering cans as well. So I'll show you all that when I get in there. All right guys, so let's head into Aldi's and see what we can find. All right guys, let's get our quarter so we can get it in our cart, and let's go into Aldi's. Woohoo! Let the shopping adventure begin. Oh, and by the way, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome to Renee's Garden Adventure. And as if you don't know already, I am Renee, and I have a gardening channel. I cook on this channel. I shop because you know I love a good deal, child. So if these are some of the things that interest you, please check out my channel, subscribe to my channel, give your girl a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you'll always know when Miss Renee has another video coming your way. And please share me out so I can get out into the algorithm so other people can come and check out my channel. I would really appreciate it, you guys. All right, now let's go into Aldi and get our shop on. All right, you guys, we made it to Aldi's, and this is what I'm talking about, the Disney. They have their earrings here for $5.99. They have this one. These are cute. Look at those. They have these. They have this one. Beautiful. And they have this one. And they have the keychains. Look at this. Isn't it cute? Little keychain. They have that one, and then they have the pink one with the little pom-pom on it. I think this is just too cute, you guys. And those are $5.99. Then they have the different water bottles. They have those back there. And these are $12.99. And then they have this one, the iridescent. And then they have their single wick character candles. They have this one, this black one. And this is the design that's on all of them. And they have a pink one back there, but I can't get to it. Then they have a fairy collection, but we're going to focus on the Disney. They have the ladies sneakers, and this is a size 9, and it's Remember I told you how we come to our store and they've got all our stuff all out of whack? Well, it's all out of whack. And these mats are $9.99. Let me show you what they have. I'm moving stuff around. They have the Mickey and Minnie. Then they have just the Minnie ears. Then they have the checkerboard one. And that's it on that. And then they have the children's shoes as well. And this one's another idea of the lady sneakers. And I showed you this one already. Oh, here's another one for the children. That's that one. And these are the head dressings. Mickey ears. They have that one. They have this one. They have this one. No, these are $6.99. This one. These are cute. And I'm at Aldi's. And then they have now the water bottles. Remember the water bottles I showed you? They're $14.99. Then they said they have the Disney hats that are $6.99. I don't see those. I'm looking. I don't see those, but I do see their backpacks that are $6.99. These are the styles that they come in. And this is what one of them looks like. Like that. That's a cute one right there. They have everything all kind of like messed up because you know when it's Disney week, everybody's here. Oh, and they have their wallets. The Disney wallet, $7.99. They have this pattern. Well, I'll show you the patterns. This pattern, this pattern, this pattern, and the iridescent. This is what the wallet looks like in the front. This is what they look like in the middle. Place for your credit card, your coins, other little compartments. And I think I was looking for the iridescent one. Let's see if I can find it. Here it is. This is the one I like. I think I might get this one. So cute. Look at that. Either that one or let's see what else I can find. Oh, they got this one, which has Mickey all on it. So I don't know which one I should get. Which one should I get, you guys? This one, or that pink one? I want something that's not going to get dirty. So, and they are $7.99. All right, guys. So they have their cards here for 99 cents. Graduation cards. Here. They have scrunchies. I don't see a price. And it's the jumbo loofahs. They have it in that color. And they have the pink one back here. And it comes 2 of them in here. And I think they are $3.99. Oh, those are the big teacups. How much are those? And then they have their Versace cart right here. This is a makeup brush cleaner. This is a makeup brush pocket decanter. Comes in pink, green, blue. They have some more beauty tools that are $2.99. We got in this one, the brush, and the makeup sponges. Alright, you guys, they have the bamboo hair towels, which is or an 8-pack of washcloth. These are the bamboo towels. I don't see the washcloths. And they have the cosmetic organizers right here. And they have the puzzle books right here, which is crosswords, Sudoku, and word search, which I would love. And those are $4.99. And then they have the hookah lip kit assorted. These are mattes. They have it in the nude, and they have it in the ruby. We're getting to the garden section, you guys. Woohoo! Then they have this wellness journal kit, and those are $7.99. And then they have these Passion Island. I think they're like diffusers. They have it in this gilded petal, and these are $4.99. And then they have it in this blue one. See? And that's that one, which is cool. Hey guys, they have the mini planters back, and they're $14.99. They come in the green. They have them in this pink color. This mini raised bed. I have these in my on my deck. Remember the black ones? And they have held up, so I highly recommend these mini raised planters. They are awesome. See, I want to get one of these, but I want them in the pink. I want it in this cup. This teacup. It's called the teacup planter. I want one of these, but I would love to have it in the pink. But of course, when I come to the party late, all of them are gone. And then they have this suitable for covering. Oh, it's a drop over greenhouse. I don't know how much those are. Man, I want that planter. Please be a pink one. Please be a pink one. Oh, nothing but green. I guess everybody's saying green is the one they don't want. Oh, and they have these candles here for $12.99, and you get 3 candles in here. And this one is raspberry blush, first blossom, and summer berries. And this one is dancing all clouds, another whisper, and something lemon. And that's what they look like for $12.99. Then they got the little bird houses. Oh, they're solar fairy houses. Look at the mushroom acorn for $9.99. Then they got the little toys, the bubble makers, bubble blowers for the kids. See, most of their Disney stuff has been taken, so I tried to show you the best that I could with the Disney. And this one is the gardening gloves, and they look like this. Got the little cheetah one, and then you got this print. Then they got the nailing pads. Looks like this. And that pattern. Same thing as with the gloves. And then this pattern. And they have the outdoor rugs. $7.99. This is what I was looking for, but this is welcome. Got that pattern. And that pattern. I want something springy. Then they got the watering wands for $4.99. And then they got the gardening clogs for $8.99. They got the different trowels for $9.99. Then they have the gardening aprons that look like this. And this pattern for $7.99. I got the little fairy houses that I showed you back there for $12.99. And this is stuff that they had for last week. Oh, and they got the gardening shears. They got the 6-in-1 multi-tool, and they got the 2-pack pruners, $7.99. And these are the ones that they had for last week. I don't know if you guys saw these, but I'm looking for my trellises. Haven't seen my trellises, you guys. I hope all the trellises aren't gone. So let me see if I can find the trellises. Didn't find the trellises yet, but have you guys seen this whipped honey for $4.99? Let me know. And what would you use that for? And then they've got, if you like syrup, they got the blueberry syrup. They got the strawberry syrup for $3.29. Check this out, you guys. They have Clancy's has carrot cake flavored kettle corn, and then they have the sweet vanilla up there for $2.29. That sounds good though. You guys, I found them and they're only $9.99. They're $8.99. Woohoo! And I don't know which one I want to get. I think I got the one with the butterflies. They got the butterfly one here. They look like, and then they just got the single one. I think I just got the single one. And then they have the one with the birds. So let me figure out which one I want.